Hi, I'm Tim Mathiesen. This is the California Center for Digital Arts, and we're going to give you a real quick tip on commercial product lighting. Most people think that the lighting, similar to what portrait lighting is, comes from the sides. In commercial lighting, we bring it in from the top, and then we can supplement that by reflection, showing opening up darker areas and enhancing the texture. In this particular case, we have the light set up on these bell peppers, and we can rotate that light back and forth like this until we get the desired effect. And for the lights, for the peppers here, we have the lighting pretty much right straight over the top. And then we will bring in a reflector and take the reflector, and we do this. We just bring the light up, bounce it in, and open up the face of the peppers as you see. So without, with. And then depending on the type of reflector, we have silver like this one, we have white like this one. So if we use the white one, we get a fill, but not quite as much. The specularity that you pick up with the silver is quite a bit more dramatic. You also have gold and you have black. So that's what we're doing today, and certainly encourage you to come to future classes at California Center for Digital Arts.